It is Saturday and I'm at the gas station again, but for an exciting thing. I'm going to one of my best friend's baby showers. It's about 2 hours away, so I have a little bit of a drive, but while I'm driving, I'm going to listen to an audiobook and get some reading time in while I have this like once in a blue moon, some quiet time. Even though I'll be driving, it's at least some time to get reading in. And that was the gas bump. I gotta go.
The daughter of Zeus turning her full and terrifying attention towards Immortal. What have you? The Thracian king roared in horror, but there was more carnage to come. As his boys spilled their dark lifeblood out on top. But for Cassandra, it was as clear as a recent memory. And so when she heard Odysseus...
I am on my way home now. I am stopped at a high school because my audiobook just ended and I need to restart a new one. And there's no way I can get an hour home with just like the radio. So, yeah, I think I'm gonna stop and get a little snack to eat, and I'm good on gas. So, yeah, we journey home again. I got my Jimmy John's, and actually I'm gonna listen to Kesha all the way home because I need to jam out and I need to be happy. While we're here, I'm gonna go thrifting at the Goodwill to try and find some teacups. I am hosting a tea party for some alum from my sorority, and I want to gift them a teacup if they donate over a certain amount. And the goal is to thrift them. I hope that I don't have to buy vintage or antique ones, but we'll see. Here we go. That was a bust, but they had so many saucers, but no teacups. They were so beautiful. If I would have found the teacups, it would have been like a home run. That would have been it. I wouldn't have needed to go thrifting for them anymore. But dang it, there were like, at least 8 saucers, no teacups. And then there were like multiple patterns too, and there were these beautiful florals, but no teacups. So that was really disappointing, unfortunately. I'll have to keep looking. It's a beautiful sunny day, and I'm just gonna jam out to Kesha all the way home. I'm going to her concert in August, and I already know the words to her songs, but I'm just gonna prepare, even though it's months away. I love her, and I love her concert. They're so much fun. Sunday, I'm gonna make some focaccia while one of my kids naps and the other one has quiet time. So I'm gonna try and be really quiet and get this going. Join me. This focaccia turned out absolutely delicious. We actually finished it all except this piece at dinner, and the next day my husband asked me to make it again, so definitely a great recipe and very quick. It's not true focaccia because it doesn't have enough air pockets, but it is a delicious bread. Thanks for joining me, and I hope you have a good one.